Grab your dance partner. It is time to salsa. Local salsa dance studio Salsa with Silvia joins us now with a preview of what you can learn. I'm going to say take it away, but let me get out the way. Take it.
Oye, llegó la fiesta. Sabor. La gente ya está esperando, todos ya quieren bailar. La pista está calentando, la orquesta ya va a empezar. La abuela se ha desatado y canta a toda voz. Que esto sí que está sabroso, esto sí tiene sabor.
Hey, that was gorgeous. Thank you so much. This is Yoii Moore. Thank you so much. And that's Rafael Moody Joe.
That is correct.
I love it. Thank you. And then this is when we said salsa with Silvia. Now I've heard, pronounce salsa for me the right way.
Salsa.
Okay, I thought I was saying it wrong, but salsa. Salsa with Silvia. And this is Silvia Alexiev. Thank you for being with us. Tell me first where your dance studio is.
So Salsa with Silvia has two locations.
Okay.
One in DC, that's our original location, and then we have one right in the heart of Bethesda. So anywhere you are in the DMV, you can easily get to our studio and take a salsa class.
How long have you two been salsa-ing?
Wow.
All of their
Practically
lives.
about 25 years.
Okay,
dancing.
and you both have Colombian roots, is that
Yes.
right?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
That's correct.
and how about you? You grew up salsing as well?
So yeah, I grew up dancing. I've been dancing for a total of 22 years,
Okay.
but I have been
You're
doing
23.
salsa. Yes, yes, I'm 23. I'm 23, started like very young.
Okay, I love
So,
it.
but I've been dancing salsa for the past like 12, 13 years.
Yeah, really beautiful.
Thank you.
Sylvia, can you talk to me about the roots and where this rich tradition comes from?
Sure. Well, you know the sauce salsa, right? So the sauce is
Yeah.
full of these spices that create this explosion in your mouth, right? And just like that, that's where the name of the dance, the music
Really?
comes from, because
Okay.
it's a combination of musical influences,
Right.
starting with the roots in Africa.
Yeah.
Cuban, African, Puerto Rican influences that then migrated to New York, and it really exploded. So salsa now is everywhere in the world. It's like a
right.
common language. Anywhere you go, you'll find salsa dancers. I've been to China, Africa, and the first thing I do is to find a salsa club, and everybody just
Really?
dances and loves doing it.
Okay, now so does it vary as far as the style of salsa? Like what were you doing just now?
It
What was-
does.
yeah.
So there's various styles of salsa. For instance, right now we were dancing on one. It's very commercial, very, you find that everywhere,
Okay.
vacations, travel, every, country per se. There are other styles like onto Colombian, which Colombian is very known for its shows. They do a lot of acrobats things, and so it's very beautiful,
Right.
the tentacles that
Yeah.
salsa has actually.
Yeah, Colombians are also very well known for the speed of their feet.
Yes.
Whenever they do dance, we're known for like our footwork and like adding different elements from like different styles
Right.
to the performance.
I'm telling you, being in here, I couldn't hear anything. That's how light you were
Yes.
on your feet. That was incredible.
Yeah.
Sylvia, it occurs to me that you're also getting a workout when you come to salsa
You
with Silvia.
do.
Yeah.
Well, salsa and just any dance in general
Right.
is the best way to work out, because it's good for your body and it's good for your mental health. And we always say it really saves lives, because
Right.
it gets you out of depression or whatever state in your life you are. Dance is something that you can look at as a cardio, because these two here,
Oh, yeah.
they lead salsa cardio classes, and
Yes.
it's
Really?
intense.
Yes,
It's
actually we do
intense.
offer that at
Okay.
Salsa with Silvia. We have a combination of cardio and salsa. and it's actually therapeutic, to be honest, because it becomes like Pilates. It's mind and body,
Right.
so it really challenges you, and at the same time you're learning how to salsa. So
Yeah.
you know, whenever you guys want, you know.
And it's a very, very social dance.
Right.
It's a dance where you can come to our parties, you can come to a party,
Yes.
to go to a party anywhere in the world, really. You meet people.
Right.
You really need that much space. You saw how much space
Absolutely.
they needed.
Yeah.
Right.
You meet new people. You don't even need to talk. But if you want to talk and meet people, we have speed
do that
dating
too.
events too.
Yes,
that's
it's
fun.
it's
events.
actually really great, and it's a
Yes.
combination like of dancing and meeting people. So
Right.
it's really nice.
I
Actually.
love that. You also teach bachata, right?
Yes.
We do
Okay.
teach bachata, and it's a Dominican dance, and they can tell you a little bit more about it. It's the difference is really the way you move with salsa. You move forward and back, right? And then
Right.
with
Okay.
bachata,
Bachata,
you
you
move
do
side to
You
side
side.
to side.
you kind of use a little bit more of the area. So it does come from Dominican Republic, but it upgraded into a more modern bachata, and right now it's like on full-blown blast. Known, and it's like the thing now, the dance, the bachata is really, really nice actually, and we also teach it at Salsa with Silvia.
There are different styles of bachata, right? Dominican, modern,
Traditional, modern, sensual, yeah.
It's more romantic, more.
And like you said, it was very, that analysis that you said about our feet being light.
Yes.
It's a biotechnicality that we use as dancers that, like a boxer, you have to take care of your body, and that also gives you speed, and then you won't get tired so
Yeah.
fast.
And you wrote a book about salsa too, right?
Well, Yoii wrote a
I
book
wrote
you
about
wrote it.
Yes.
I wanted to present this because it's for
Yeah.
kids. We have girls. I have
Okay.
2. She has
I have
4.
3. Yeah, together we have a whole, we have a village
team,
of
a
girls.
baseball
That's
team.
right, exactly.
So I've been with Silvia for about almost 6 years now, and then I've loved her strategy and teaching and stuff like that, and as well, we have kids, we share kids,
Yeah.
so I thought of writing a book to introduce the art of salsa to our babies, our children.
I love
And
that.
it's written in Spanish, but I will have it available in November in the English version. The reason why I did it in Spanish was because I am a Colombian native, and I wanted to express a lot of hard words that I felt in my Latino language.
It's a beautiful
yeah.
book. I
It's
read it to
very
my
beautiful.
kids.
Right.
Yeah.
And representation, we say it all the time, is so important.
Yes.
It's so important.
And this is actually based in Colombia, and it's, just to rapidly say, it's about a little girl that takes a tour around Cali, Colombia, and the most touristic places. And this cat that she meets, he kind of introduces her into salsa along with our animals. So it's pretty nice, and you can find it on Amazon. It's called
that.
Al Son de los Gatos, and I hope you guys like it.
And learn Spanish.
and
Spanish.
learn
There you
right.
go.
And I think what I was thinking of was the more of the with the accent when I say salsa. When I say it, it sounds so
You can also say
Salsa.
salsa.
Just say
Right,
salsa.
just say it with a little,
Yeah, a little spice to it.
A little,
to it.
add some spice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's what it is. Because I hear we're going to be teaching you.
Yeah.
how to
Now,
stuff.
when you say teaching me, we're just doing one little step because
Super easy.
I didn't come this far to be embarrassed by professional dancers. So anyway,
We're
we're
gonna
going to
take
do a
care
little
of you.
something. Okay.
We're gonna take care of you.
Before we do that, how can people get involved in your classes?
Of course, yeah. So the easiest way is to go to our website,
Okay.
salsawithsilvia.com, Silvia with an I. And that's where you can see the schedule. We have classes in DC, in Bethesda. We also now, for Hispanic Heritage Month, teach a lot of corporate classes. So we go to a lot of big, small corporations, and we
yeah.
introduce the dance. People have fun,
Okay.
and we talk about the history of salsa. We also do it for a lot of schools. So they both teach
Go
at
and teach.
schools as
It's
well.
hard, it is hard to be angry when you're dancing.
No
Okay, so
way.
let's hit the music. Just show me, like, okay, now who's going to show me
all right,
what?
so let's begin with, let's kind of like get, let
front
me
to
put you in the
back
middle.
basic.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what we're gonna do, just like we're walking. So it's a natural effect. We're gonna start with our left, and we're just gonna go forward on 1, and then we're gonna jump right back on that 2, and then just reference point is the middle.
Okay.
Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. We're gonna mirror that effect with your right leg to the back.
Okay.
5, and then come to the center, 6 and 7.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put those 2 together, and we got this.
Okay. Okay.
5,
Yeah,
6,
yeah.
7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7,
All
and
right.
a 1, 2, 3,
Okay, here we
and
go.
5, 6, 7.
Okay, I think I got it.
Now you're just
You
start
got it. You're
feeling
doing
it.
great.
5, 6,
Six,
7,
seven,
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
5, 6,
Am I still doing
7.
it? Okay.
You're
One.
doing it perfectly.
Can we end here so I can end
5,
on a high
6,
note?
7. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you so
You did
much.
great. You did
Thank
amazing.
you so much. Okay.
Absolutely.
Salsa
You
with
did great.
Silvia. Bethesda and the other location
DC.
in DC.